Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Binance KYC. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection and your identification documents ready. You'll need a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, and potentially proof of address. This process helps secure your account and comply with regulations. We'll walk through each step, making it simple to get your account verified quickly and efficiently. Once logged in, locate the Identity Verification option, usually found under your profile or security settings. This is where your KYC journey begins. You'll be prompted to select your country and the specific type of ID you'll use, such as a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Make sure the information you provide matches your documents exactly to avoid delays. Next, you'll upload clear photos of your identification document. Ensure all four corners are visible and the text is legible. After that, you'll proceed to the facial verification step, which usually involves a quick scan using your device's camera. Follow the prompts, like turning your head or blinking. Finally, double-check all the details you've entered before submitting your application for review. After submission, Binance will review your application. This typically takes a few minutes, but can sometimes extend to a few days. Once approved, you'll unlock higher deposit and withdrawal limits, enhancing your trading experience. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Their lifetime warranty makes them a fantastic investment for your feet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.